Hello guys, welcome to today's section of Learning Mathematics with PrepClass. So today we are going to be solving questions from AKWA JSCE Mathematics Past Question. For those of you preparing for JSCE exam, this is the right channel for you to come to learn mathematics with us. We are solving questions from AKWA JSCE Past Questions. From our previous videos, we've been able to solve questions 1 to 30. Now today we are solving from question 31 to 35. So let's solve the questions for today. Now remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get access to all our videos in a very orderly fashion. Also put down your comments in the comment section to let us know how you feel about our videos, and if you have any question you would like us to answer, please put it down in the comment section. We'll definitely get back to you. Remember, PrepClass is here to put you through in all your learning difficulties. Okay, so now let's solve. Find the difference between the range and the median of the following set of numbers. We have the numbers 3, 8, 5, 7, 11, 5, 12, 3, 5, 5, 7, 8, 11, and 12. So we have to find the difference between the range and the median. From the options we have A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. Now from this question, we have to find the difference between the range and the median. So this means that we must first of all find the range and also find the median. After finding the range and the median, then we can find the difference between the two results. Now let's solve for finding the range. Range is equals to the highest value minus lowest value. That is, from the set of numbers, we are going to find the highest value, then we minus the lowest value from it. Now looking at the set of numbers, we have the highest value to be 12 and the lowest value to be 3. Now if you look at the numbers, we have the highest value to be 12 and the lowest value to be 3. Okay, so now therefore the difference between the range and the median is range minus median, and the range is 9 while median is 7. So therefore 9 minus 7 is giving us 2. So the difference between range and median for the set of numbers here is 2. So the correct option is option B, 2. Okay, so when you're solving a question, you need to understand what you have to do for the question. You don't just rush to solve. What is the question telling you to do? So from there, you can find it easy to solve the question. So now let's move on to the next question. Question number 32. Which point is represented by coordinates 8, 5? We have a graph here. So with this graph, we have to find the point represented by the coordinate 8, 5. That is 8 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. So we have the options R, X, P, and Q. So now let's solve this. Now this is the graph. Because we have to find the point represented by the coordinate 8, 5. So it means we are going to identify, that is, we are going to connect 8 on the x-axis to 5 on the y-axis. So we have 8 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. So when we try to connect them together, we have this point. And the point here is R. So looking at the option, the correct option is A, R. You can see that is very, very easy. So what you just need to do there is to look at the graph and try to connect the two numbers together following the x-axis and the y-axis. And with that, we've been able to get that the point is point R, and that is the solution to that question. So let's move to the next question. Question number 33. Write the coordinate of Q and X. A, Q into bracket 6, 5, close bracket. X, open bracket minus 4, close bracket 15. B, Q, open bracket minus 5, minus 4, close bracket, X, open bracket 4, 15, close bracket. C, Q, open bracket minus 5, minus 4, close bracket, X, open bracket 4, 15. Then the last option, D, Q, open bracket minus 6, minus 5, close bracket, X, open bracket 15, 4. So we have to find the coordinate of Q and X from the graph. Now looking at Q, this is point Q. We trace it to the x-axis and we trace it to the y-axis. Now tracing to the x-axis we have minus 6. Tracing to the y-axis we have minus 5. That is Q is having the coordinates minus 6, comma, minus 5. Good. So we move to the point X. We have X. We trace it to the X axis. That is 4. And we trace it to the Y axis. That is 15. So we have 4, comma, 15. So we've been able to get the coordinates of the points Q and X. Q is having the coordinates minus 6, comma, minus 5. And S is having the coordinates 4, comma, 15. And this is the right answer. So looking at the options, the right answer to this question is not in the option. Option D would have been the right answer if not for the fact that the coordinate of X was interchanged. That is, instead of having 4, comma, 15, it was showing 15, comma, 4. So the right answer is minus 6, comma, minus 5 for Q and 4, comma, 15 for X. So we move to the next question. Question number 34. Evaluate 99 squared minus 1. 99 squared minus 1. A. 98. B. 980. C. 9800. D. 9900. So let's evaluate. 99 squared minus 1. Remember, any number raised to the power of 2 means the number will multiply itself. So 99 squared is the same thing as saying 99 multiplied by 99. Then we have minus 1. Now, what is the product of 99 times 99? Let's do it here. 99 multiplied by 99. 9 times 9, that is 81. We write 1, we carry 8. 9 will multiply the second 9. 9 times 9, 81. 81 plus the 8 we carried, that is 89. So we have 89 here. We move to the next 9. 9 times 9, 81. Write 1, carry 8. We multiply again. 9 times 9, 81. 81 plus the 8 we carried, that is 89. So we have 89. So therefore, this is giving us, at this point we add. 1 will come down here. 9 plus 1 is 10. Write 0, carry 1. 1 plus 8, that is 9. 9 plus 9, that is 18. So we write 8, we carry 1. 1 plus 8, that is 9. So it means 99 multiplied by 99, the result is 9801. So we have 9801 minus 1, and that is giving us 9800. That is a simple multiplication we've just performed there. So that is the answer to this question, 9800, and the correct option is option C, 9800. So move to the next question, which is the last question for this video, question number 35. Calculate the value of x in the diagram below. A, 200 degree, B, 120 degree, C, 55 degree, and D, 25 degree. So we have this diagram. What kind of diagram is this? Can you guess, or do you know? This diagram is a polygon. So we are going to use the idea of polygon to solve this question. Now, the first thing we are going to identify here is we need to know the angles in this polygon. Now we have the angle x here, we have 3x, we have 2x, and we have 110. This angle here we don't know. So how can we know the angle there? So we need to use the idea of angle on a straight line. The total angle on a straight line is 180 degree. So it means if I add A plus 80 degree, I am going to get 180 degree. So therefore, A plus 80 is 180 degree. A is 180 minus 80 degree, and A is equals to 100 degree. So it means that the angle here is actually 100 degree. Now we can find the value of x using the idea of sum of angles in a polygon. Because in a polygon, the total angle add up depending on the number of sides. And the formula for the sum of angles in a polygon is given by n minus 2 times 180 degree, where n is the number of sides. And the number of sides for this polygon is 5. If you count the number of sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 sides there. Now we need to calculate the sum of the angles. Now the number of sides, we have 5. So 5 minus 2, that's giving us 3. Then multiply by 180. So we have 3 times 180. So 3 multiplied by 180 is going to give us 540. Now, what is the next thing we need to do? We need to add the angles in the polygon. We have the angles to be x, 3x, 2x, 110, and 100 degrees to be equals to 540. So we have x plus 3x, that is 4x. 4x plus 2x, that is 6x. So we have 6x plus 110 plus 100, that is giving us 210, which is equals to 540. Now, we need to simplify further to get the value for x. So now, we have 6x is equals to 540 minus 210. So if we subtract 210 from 540, we are going to get 330. So therefore, we have 6x is equals to 330. The next thing is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And the coefficient of x here is 6. So we divide both sides by 6. So 6x divided by 6 is equals to 330 divided by 6. 6 cancels 6. We have x to be equals to, how many 6 can we see in 330? So we start by saying 2 in 6, that is 3. 2 in 330, that is 110. So we go again. 3 in 3, that is 1. And 3 in 110, that is 55. So we have x to be equals to 55, which gives us the option C to be the right answer. So from the diagram, so first of all, have to find the missing angle here. After that, then we find the total angle in a polygon. Then from there, we can get the value for x. Some questions might not be straightforward, but they are very, very easy to solve. All you just need to do is understand what you are supposed to do for that question to get solved. So that brings us to the end of today's section. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get access to all our videos in a very orderly fashion. Also, tell your friends about PrepClass because we are providing solution to your JSCE mathematics past question to make your exam preparation very easy. So we'll see you in the next video where we solve further questions. So bye for now. Have a great day.